Hello students, welcome back to English grammar class. In today's class, you are going to learn about conjunctions. So by the end of this class, you will be able to identify the conjunctions and you will be able to use conjunctions in a correct way and also join sentences, phrases, clauses. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are called as joining words. They join other words, groups of words, or sentences, and they are also called as connectors. Okay, so let us go through few examples. I enjoy reading and playing. I enjoy reading. I enjoy playing. So we combine these two sentences using the conjunction and. I enjoy reading and playing. Alice did not like the book because it did not have any pictures. So here because is used to give a reason. Alice did not like the book. It did not have any pictures. Why he did not like the book? Because it did not have any pictures. So we used the connector because. He was tired, so he slept. Why did he sleep? Because he was tired. He was tired, so he slept. They left early, but they missed the train. So they left early, but they missed the train. So here what is the conjunction? But is the conjunction. And some commonly used conjunctions here they are and, or, but, if, because, so, since, unless, until, till, though, although, and yet. So which conjunction is used in which context? Let us see. Okay, when it comes to adding, when it comes to addition, we use and as well as not only but also. Like Neha knows Sanskrit as well as Hindi. So Neha knows not only Sanskrit but also Hindi. You can also write as Neha knows Sanskrit and Hindi. Okay, when it comes to adding another one, then we use this and as well as not only but also. Okay, when it comes to choice, choosing this or that, then we use the conjunctions like or, either or, neither nor. Okay, so I don't mind either the gray shirt or the blue one. I don't mind having either tea or coffee. Okay, like that. And when it comes to contrast, contrast means different things. When it comes to some different ones, then we use but, though, although, whereas. So here the example, though Mr. Pawan has turned 70, he is very active. Okay, two different things. He is 70 but still he is active. Okay, and when it comes to reason, you are going to give some reason, then we use because, as, since. Yes, so we did not go out to play because it was too hot. Why they did not go? Because it was too hot. So here because is the conjunction. Okay, and comparison, when we are going to compare things, then we use as. I'm not as quick on my feet as I was 10 years ago. So he was comparing his age and activities when he was 10 years and now. So I'm not as quick on my feet as I was 10 years ago. Okay, and when it comes to manner, as if, as though. When it comes to manner, we use as if or as though conjunctions. Alka nodded as if to say she agreed with money. So, how she nodded? In what manner? As if she agreed with money. So, as if is the conjunction here. And when it comes to time, in the time context, we use as, while, until, since, after, before, and when. Shivani waited at the school gate until Rukan came. So, till what time she waited? Until Rukan came. Okay. So, and I was playing when my mother was cooking snacks. Okay. Like this. In the time context, we use the conjunctions as, while, until, since, after, before, when. So, what are conjunctions, students? Conjunctions are joining words. They join they join words, they join phrases, sentences, ideas, clauses, and parts of sentences means clauses. So when to join all these we use conjunctions. Okay, such words we use. I hope it is clear, students. Thank you for now. Meet you in the next class.